Hi everyone, my name is Faye Smith. I'm the owner of Primp and Proper, which is one of Vancouver's beauty boutiques in Gastown. I'm here today to talk to you about lash lifts and the importance of using the home care. I know firsthand that using the home care is very important for the health of your lashes. A lash lift is still a chemical process, even though it is gentle, and through time, like anything, like dyeing your hair or chemically straightening your hair, treating your hair, it will be damaged unless you treat it properly with the right products. So one of the brands that we carry is Yumi. We absolutely love this brand, and they actually retail a home care serum. If ever you are getting a lash lift more than once, you need to pick up this serum. I cannot stress it enough. I am my mother's daughter and I'm extremely skeptical. So when I first started doing lash lifts, I wanted to know why you needed to use this home care serum and why it's so expensive. It retails for $95. It does last for 6 to 8 months, so you are gonna have this product for multiple lash lifts, which is great. It is a good investment, but why do I need to use this? What this serum does, it looks like a clear mascara and you apply it every single day. I apply it in the morning, and if you are gonna wear mascara, apply it before the mascara. This product is going to act as a primer for your mascara, so it's gonna form them really beautifully before you apply a mascara, but it's also gonna protect the tint too. The more products that you put on that tint and the more that you're scrubbing it off, the more that the tint is gonna wear off fast. So if you put this product on, the Home Care Nourishing Serum, before your mascara, your tint is gonna last for longer and your lift is gonna last for longer too. All while keeping your lashes extremely healthy. Let me stress, you don't need to wear mascara after getting the lash lift done. That's kind of the point. When you first get it done and the tint is fresh and the lift is fresh, really there is no need to wear the mascara, but I still like to apply the nourishing serum, not only to treat my lashes and keep my lashes hydrated, but also to give them a beautiful glossy coat. Top tip, you can also use this on your eyebrows. I like to get my eyebrows lifted too. Yes, you can lift and laminate your eyebrows too. I'm sure many of you have seen this online with the fluffy brow look. When you're getting that treatment done to your brows, you can also use this treatment too. You want to make sure that you're essentially conditioning and hydrating your lashes while you're getting these treatments done. So it won't bore you any longer. Basically, if you're getting more than one lash lift done, buy this serum. You will not regret it. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. If you have any questions, pop them in the comments below. I'm happy to give you all of my professional advice and tips. If you're watching on Instagram, please make sure to follow. And if you're on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.